The Bayraktar AKINCI is one of the most advanced unmanned combat aerial platforms currently in service. Designed and manufactured by Baykar, it represents a significant leap forward from previous tactical UAV, combining high payload capacity, extended endurance, and the ability to operate at high altitudes for extended periods. The AKINCI is capable of carrying a wide range of munitions, sensors, and electronic systems. This successful test demonstrates not only the operational compatibility of the high-altitude, long-endurance AKINCI platform with the ASELFLIR-600 sensor, but also the depth of domestic engineering capabilities, which now encompass avionics, sensors, and mission systems. With this development, Turkey further reduces its dependence on foreign suppliers. Powered by two turboprop engines, the AKINCI can operate at altitudes exceeding 40,000 feet and remain airborne for more than 24 hours. Depending on mission configuration, its payload capacity allows for the integration of advanced radar systems, electronic intelligence equipment, and advanced electro-optical sensors such as the ASELFLIR-600. This flexibility makes the AKINCI a multi-role asset suitable for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, strike missions, and network-based warfare. The ASELFLIR-600 is the latest electro-optical and infrared targeting and surveillance system developed by Turkey's leading defense electronics company. Building on the experience gained from previous ASELFLIR variants, the 600 series introduces significant improvements in resolution, detection range, stabilization, and target tracking performance. The system integrates a high-definition daylight camera, advanced infrared sensors, a laser rangefinder, and a laser designator component into a compact and rugged turret. This capability enables precise target detection, identification, and tracking in all weather conditions, day and night. The ASELFLIR-600 is designed to support long-range operations, making it ideally suited for high-altitude platforms like the AKINCI. One of the most important aspects of the ASELFLIR-600 is its advanced image processing and stabilization technology. Even during high-speed maneuvers or in turbulent atmospheric conditions, the system can maintain a stable and clear image, enabling operators to track targets with exceptional accuracy. This capability is critical for modern battlefield environments, where precision and situational awareness determine mission success. The successful flight test of the Bayraktar AKINCI with the ASELFLIR-600 sensor focused on validating system integration, operational performance, and data link reliability. During the test, the sensor demonstrated smooth communication with the aircraft's mission computer and ground control station, transmitting high-resolution imagery in real time. Engineers evaluated several performance parameters, including target detection range, image clarity at high altitudes, laser designator, accuracy, and system response during dynamic flight conditions. According to the test results, the ASELFLIR-600 met or exceeded expected performance benchmarks, confirming its readiness for operational deployment on the AKINCI. The test also validated the sensor's compatibility with AKINCI's advanced avionics and AI-enabled mission systems. This integration enables automatic target tracking, enhanced situational awareness, and faster decision-making for operators, significantly improving mission effectiveness. Turkey has achieved another significant milestone in its rapidly developing defense and aerospace industry, as the Bayraktar AKINCI unmanned combat aircraft successfully completed a flight test integrating the ASELFLIR-600 electro-optical reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeting system. This achievement highlights the increasing technological maturity of the Turkish defense ecosystem. The successful integration of the ACE into the Bayraktar AKINCI has major strategic implications for Turkey. In recent years, the country has faced numerous export restrictions and limited access to foreign defense technology. These challenges have accelerated efforts to develop domestic alternatives in all critical domains. By producing a domestically developed EOIR sensor that can match or surpass international counterparts, Turkey is strengthening its defense self-sufficiency and export competitiveness. The success of the ASELFLIR-600 demonstrates that local companies can design, manufacture, and integrate advanced sensors for complex air platforms without external assistance. This achievement also enhances Turkey's position in the global defense market. Many countries operating or considering the acquisition of the Bayraktar AKINCI are seeking a complete system, free from foreign dependency. The availability of a fully domestically developed sensor suite makes the AKINCI more attractive to international customers who value security of supply, technological sovereignty, and long-term support. From an operational perspective, the combination of the AKINCI and the ASELFLIR-600 offers a powerful tool for modern warfare. The platform can conduct sustained intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions over a wide area, detect and track targets at long ranges, and guide precision-guided munitions with high accuracy. These capabilities are invaluable in asymmetric warfare scenarios, border security operations, and maritime surveillance. High-resolution imaging and advanced infrared detection enable the AKINCI to identify camouflaged or low-visibility targets. While a laser designator enables precise targeting with minimal collateral damage, the system's ability to operate in contested environments, supported by electronic countermeasures features, further enhances survivability and mission success. The successful flight test also supports Turkey's broader vision of networked and data-driven military operations. Real-time data from the ASELFLIR-600 can be shared across command networks, enabling joint operations with other air, land, and naval assets. This interconnected approach improves coordination, shortens response times, and enhances overall combat effectiveness, as unmanned systems play an increasingly central role in modern conflicts. The integration of advanced sensors is becoming a key factor. The AKINCI ASELFLIR-600 combination demonstrates how unmanned platforms can provide strategically vol capabilities previously reserved for manned aircraft. Following the successful flight test, the ASELFLIR-600 is expected to be deployed more widely on the Bayraktar AKINCI platform, with potential integration into other airborne systems in the future. Continued development and software enhancements will likely further enhance the sensor's performance as operational needs evolve. In conclusion, the successful flight test of the Bayraktar AKINCI with the ASELFLIR-600 sensor marks a major achievement for the Turkish defense industry. It reflects years of sustained investment in domestic technology, close collaboration between defense companies, and a clear strategic vision for technological self-sufficiency. As Turkey's unmanned aircraft capabilities continue to advance, developments such as these reinforce its status as a rising global power in defense innovation.